recall last year, we had to take a tree down. I hate to waste stuff, so I was looking for projects to what we can do. As you can see, we left the bark on this one. We did take the bark off of this one, but I had an idea. On another video, we made some flower boxes, and I thought, why not make them out of the log? Let's clean these babies up. Let's gut the inside, put plants in them, and they'll make great planters. Come on, let's go have some fun. Let's go make some sawdust. We got our log, and because it's going to be a planter, we want to look at what would be the best for the bottom. This thing has, a bunch of little pits at the bottom, so I think that'd be great when it's layered. So we're going to cut this top. So now I want to secure it in here so we can cut it up. With my log securely fastened, I'm going to mark off the area where I want to gut. So I'm just going to mark off. These will give me ideas, just a general marker, just a general guide of where to go and when to stop with the blade. With the log securely fastened, we're going to use one method. We're going to use the circular saw to get out the center. Again, many methods. This is just one of them. Let's give it a shot. We're going to need many, many cuts on this. Let's get going. You can see chunks of pieces are already starting to come out. This is good. Okay, you can see round one is done. Because our blade's only 2.5 inches, we got to do it again to get it a little deeper. So let's do it again. Okay, just a warning when you're using the circular saw. Circular saw is a great tool, not really made for this, so you have to be extremely careful. It will have a tendency to buck on you, and you have limitations on it because of the 2.5 inch spread. That's all you can cut. This will limit you, so you will have to go to another phase. But if you're using the circular saw, be careful, very careful. Next phase, we're going to take the oscillating saw, hit the corners, and chisel them out. Come on. As we chisel out the center, I find it helpful to take a drill. There you have it. This is what it's starting to look like here. We're going to make us a nice little planter. Okay, log 2. Now I took this log and squared it up so we have good size. Now I'm looking at it, trying to find, and look at this. I think it has a natural flat side where it could fit. So let's gut out the top of this. So let's put this down. We'll secure it on the bench. Our next way is we're going to use the chainsaw. Again, got to be very careful. I'm going to try to gut out the end, keep the sides, but I'm going to make myself some marks. Before chunks start flying, I'm going to knock them off with a hammer and a chisel. Here's what we got. We gutted the bark one. We gutted it with the chainsaw. I like it. It did it quick, fast. I do have some chainsaw marks that I don't like. As I was chiseling though, I also loosened up the bark. So I'm going to cheat and put a little glue in there and just glue it down. Make sure it's glued. But that one looks good. Now the circular saw, same thing. Because the circular saw only did so much, look at all the blade marks I got. I don't like that. I could live with it. I suppose I could take a saw and cut these off a little bit, but you know what? It's a planter. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and I think these are gonna make great planters. Let's go put some dirt in it and see what we can do. Got some good old-fashioned potting soil here. Nice and black. And let's try some begonias. I'm gonna stagger them, I'm gonna alternate them kind of left and right. Break it up a little bit. Hey, wouldn't this be a wonderful gift idea? Can you imagine going to a summer cookout or a summer party and handing this to the host as a gift? Just a friendly gift. What a great idea. Let's go find a party. There you go. Planted, ready to go. Hey, I really like these. I think these look good. You know that part I said about the blades that I didn't like? Now I think it adds character to it. I think it's really good. I think it's going to work out great. One note, I did at the bottom, I drilled a drainage hole so that if it's sitting on the deck or something and you get a driving soaking rain, it will drain. It won't kill the flowers. But I'm telling you, your choice. However you want to go. You can make your own log planter. Hey, hope you learned something, had some fun with this project. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another backyard project. Gotta go find a place to put these. God bless you.